Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas.
Hello everyone, I am Alisha and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share minimal makeup products that you need to survive this makeup game. Before starting this video, I want to say that this video is a part of Vlogmas series that I'm doing on my channel, and if you haven't checked my other videos yet, then make sure to check them out after watching this video. And also, if you like this kind of videos or content, then feel free to subscribe to my channel. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So today I'm going to share very minimal makeup products that won't burn a hole into your pockets. All of the products that I'm going to share today are very affordable. Also, if you are a beginner, then you can use this. The first product that I want to share is a primer. Basically it depends कि किसी को पसंद है primer use करना, किसी को पसंद नहीं है. If you don't like primers, then you can completely skip out on this, but I think primer is essential because it creates a barrier between your skin and makeup. There are two types of primer. One is the mattifying primer and the second one is a hydrating primer. What a mattifying primer does is it helps to blur out the large pores, and the hydrating primer obviously gives hydration and glow to your face. So the primer that I'm talking about is by Maybelline Fit Me, and this is their Dewy Plus Smooth normal to dry skin primer, and this primer is very good. This is very hydrating and also gives a glow to your skin. Even after you apply foundation, your base looks so glowy, so dewy. Coming to the next product, that is concealer. Concealer is also subjective. If you have dark circles, you can use concealer, otherwise there is no need to use a concealer. Since I have dark circles, that's why I use concealer, and for concealer I will recommend this Elegant Pro concealer in the shade Pure Beige, and this is a very good concealer to cover your dark circles. So it has this yellow and oranges undertone, so it really helps to cancel out the darkness. If you have dark circles, then only go for a concealer, otherwise you can skip out on this. Now coming to the foundation, if you are a beginner, you must keep in mind that the foundation that you are using should be very lightweight, and also it should blend seamlessly onto your skin, and your skin shouldn't feel heavy after using foundation. So the foundation that I want to recommend is by Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm in the shade 230 Natural Buff. So this foundation is very lightweight, and this is perfect if you are a beginner because it is a medium coverage foundation and it blends out very smoothly. You don't have to work hard on it. So yeah, for foundation I will highly recommend this one. Okay, now let's move on to blush, and for blush I have two different products. You can choose whatever you like. So the first one is by Earth Rhythm. This is a very beautiful blush shade, so it gives that natural looky pinky blush. I have done a tutorial using this. I will link the video over here somewhere, and this shade is very beautiful. Okay, now this is the shade, and when you blend it, it has such a pretty color. It's a natural rosy pink kind of color, and just imagine how beautiful it will look on your cheeks. If you love natural kind of makeup look, then this is for you. Next blush is also a tint one, and this is by the brand Faceshop. This is in the shade Berry. Look at that shade, so beautiful. When you blend it, it gives this beautiful berry color. Again, you can use both of these tints on your cheeks and also on your lips because both of these tints are lip and cheek tint. So these are 2-in-1 product. Now moving on to the eyes. First let's talk about an eyebrow product. So for eyebrow pencil, I'm going to recommend this eyebrow pencil by the brand Faceshop, and this is their dark brown shade. This is a retractable pencil and also it has a spoolie on the back. So yeah, this is a great product to buy. Next, moving on to mascara. You need to have mascara in your makeup routine because it does makes a great difference. It's okay if you don't want to use eyeliner, but you need to have like mascara in your makeup bag. So the mascara that I want to recommend is by Nykaa, and this is their Nykaa Curl Power Mascara. It literally curls up your lashes and it makes your eyelashes looks longer and your eyes also looks very beautiful. So if you want to get a mascara, then do try this one. Next, moving on, if you are a liner person, then you need to have this liner in your makeup bag. So this liner is by Maybelline. This is how the wand looks like. If you love using liner, then you should definitely get this one. If my voice sounds different in this video, then yes it is, because I'm suffering from cold. Anyways, moving on to eyeshadow palette. If you are a beginner and you are very confused about which eyeshadow palette to buy, then I will highly recommend you this eyeshadow by productsyou. This is a collaboration of productsyou and my Glamm, and why I want to recommend you this one is because first of all, this is very tiny and also the packaging is so cute, but I'm not recommending you because of its packaging. And I'm in the shade Drama Queen, and this has 4 different eyeshadow colors. 3 of them are matte and 1 is a shimmer one. This is a neutral eyeshadow palette, and these are all the basic colors that you need to create a neutral eye look. And it has the brown tones, it has a black one to create a smoky eyes, it also has this shimmer shade. If you are confused with how to use this one, I have done a makeup tutorial using this eyeshadow palette. I will link the video over here. And this also comes in different shades, like this is the neutral one, and if you want you can buy the pinky tones one, whatever is your preference. And let me show you the color pigmentation. First I'm going to use this black one, brown one, like, and finally the glitter shade. Isn't it super pretty? Oh my god. That's why I highly recommend you to buy this one if you are a beginner. I want to add another one that is a liquid eyeshadow. So this is a liquid eyeshadow by Swiss Beauty, and it's in the shade Champagne, and this is a very beautiful liquid eyeshadow. I'm going to swatch it over here. And look at this, isn't it so beautiful? You can just use this single liquid eyeshadow to create a glam look and you are completely sorted. Now moving on to setting our base, we need a face powder, and for face powder I'll recommend this face powder again by Maybelline Fit Me. This is how the compact looks. This does gives a little amount of coverage, so if you are a beginner you can buy this one. So finally, coming to the makeup products that every girl loves are lipsticks. So for lipsticks, you don't need thousands of lipsticks in your makeup kit. You just need to focus on these 3 different shades. Like one lipstick you should have in red tones, one in pink tones, and one you should have a nude one. So for red lipstick, I will recommend this Maybelline Sensational liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Flush It Red. Next is a pinky tone. For that, I will recommend this liquid lipstick by Nykaa in the shade Turkish Rose. This is how the shade looks like. It is a mauvish pinkish shade, and the final lipstick is a nude lipstick. I'm talking about this Nykaa lipstick. This is their Nykaa mini lipsticks in the shade 50M. This looks pinky tone on the camera, but actually it's a brownish nude tone. So these are all the products that you need in your makeup bag if you are just beginning out and you don't need thousands of makeup products like all other beauty influencers or beauty YouTubers, because they do have a lot of products because that is their job. But if you are a beginner, you need very less products. The products that I have shown today are very minimal and also affordable, pocket friendly, and very easy to use. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, then hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel and share this video with your family or friends, whoever needs it. I will see you again in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. I am showing you the... ये बोम्पू अंकल हर वक्त क्यों आते हो यार, हद है. Uncle doesn't care.